Mark Colbert, Speedokote Refinish Network. Exciting announcement, we got our first truck, and it happens to be one of my favorite trucks. It's older Chevy, short bed, low riding. I love it, very cool truck. Now, as you guys can see, this one is very rough, but at one time in its prime, had like a $10,000 paint job on it, metallic flake paint job, with flames, very cool. But it was just, the clear was going on the roof. See, the clear was just done, and then we had a lot of body work that, was compromised. But, overall, it's not terribly rough. All this stuff will probably just sand out with 400 grit, and it'll be good to go. All right, so the usual. Let's get a mask on, kick the compressor on, get to work. Paint day. We got the truck all prepped up. Prep came out pretty smooth. As you guys can see, we use a lot of the Speedokote primer. I used a mixture of the SMR 210 with a spray gun. And we also use the Speedokote aerosol filler primer. Guys, this is great for those little small spot jobs or last minute fixes. It works awesome. So for our paint, we're going to be using a high gloss, bright white single stage. I've used this in the past. You guys have seen me do a video on the past. Guys, this is one nice wet coat, get full coverage, and you're done. Stuff leaves you with a really, really high gloss shine, very high for single stage. Single stage gets a bad reputation because usually a lot of guys say when you spray it, after you spray it, you always got to buff it. It looks dull. Not with this stuff. Okay, so I'm going to put some paint in the gun. We're going to get some paint on this old Chevy. So that wraps it up for the truck. We got a decent gloss out of it. This was really just a quick scuff and shoot. But overall, for a quick job, I'm really happy with this. One thing I really like about the single stage Speedokote products is they're very easy to mix. Guys, it's 4-to-1. You don't have to guess your reducer. Guys, this stuff comes pre-reduced, ready to spray. Really lays smooth right out of the can, guys. There's no guesswork with this product. You simply put the paint in the gun. It lays out very good. It's very user-friendly. So if you guys have a project you're doing basic white, basic black, or if you want to do gray, you can mix these 1-to-1 and make a nice gray. Guys, www.speedokote.com, $99, free shipping. So that wraps up the video. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.